friends from the media for joining us here, and a warm welcome to all of you. Thank you so much for joining us. We're looking forward to the freelancer, the conclusion. मेरा नाम है सचिन कुंभार. आप सभी का तहे दिल से स्वागत करता हूँ आणि तुम्हा सर्वांचं स्वागत. कसे आहात? मजेत? So we'll get to know more about the freelancer, the conclusion in a very short while. But सबसे पहले इस ब्लॉकबस्टर दुनिया में आप सभी का तहे दिल से स्वागत है. तो पहले 4 एपिसोड्स में हमने देखा कि कैसे हमारे फ्रीलांसर जो हैं, अविनाश कामत जो है, कैसे अपने आप को नेविगेट करते हैं, कैसे कितने सारे अलग अलग पहलू से, कितने इमोशन से गुजरते हैं और कैसे इस मिशन को और रोमांचक बनाते हैं. सबसे बड़ी बात है कि अब ये सफर और भी खतरनाक होते जा रहा है. राइट, यू विल एग्री विद दैट. एंड हमने देखा कि कैसे आलिया एक ऐसे जगह पर फंस गई है जहां से निकलना मतलब मौत को न्योता देना है. सो सबसे अहम सवाल है कि क्या हमारे फ्रीलांसर एकेए अविनाश आलिया को बचा पाएंगे. उसके लिए थोड़ा सा करना पड़ेगा इंतजार 9 दिनों का, यानी 15 दिसंबर को, when all the episodes of the freelancer, the conclusion drops on Disney Plus Hotstar. Now without further ado, स्वागत करते हैं हमारे esteemed guests on to the dais, जिनकी वजह से the freelancer, the conclusion हम तक पहुंचा है. Join me in welcoming on stage the head of content at Disney Plus Hotstar and HSM Entertainment Network, Disney star Mr. Gaurav Banerjee, and also welcome the mastermind behind the series, the creator and showrunner, the visionary Mr. Neeraj Pandey. A warm welcome to both of you. Thank you. And must say compliments. We've seen the first 4 episodes and we're completely gripped. So thank you for giving us yet another thrilling and stellar series. Gaurav, I have a question for you, and if I could request for the mic, please. Thank you. You know, before we get into and showcase what's lined up next, would like to know a few things from both of you. You know, the freelancer has become a sensation, has arrested the attention of all the audiences, including me. And this is not the first time that Disney Plus Hotstar and Neeraj Pandey have been able to do this. Now, can you tell us more about this association and creating this spectacular series?
Thank you. And can you hear me at the back? Yes. Thank you. So it's great to be here today, and we are with Neeraj Pandey. There's Anupam sir, and it happens to be a Wednesday. So we are all due some excitement just with that. And yes, I think Neeraj, Sheetal, Friday Filmworks and Hotstar, in some ways this is the origin story of Hotstar Specials, because before we had a strategy, we had an ambition to work with them. And before we wanted to do or needed to do anything else, our first step as a company in this direction was to call them and ask them if they had a story to tell. So I think if we have gotten somewhere in the last 5 years, we have gotten there together in lockstep with them. We have learned together, we have had fights together, and we have come out on the right side of those fights to create 2 incredible seasons of special ops, which have in some ways been foundational to how big series are thought of in this country. And of course, today the conversation is about the incredible achievement, which is creatively the freelancer. And it's a brave story, been told by a really, really brave team against the odds. And the making of it, the challenges that they have been through, the creative hurdles, the production hurdles, and to see so much passion and commitment on the line for somebody who's just a suit is really awe-inspiring. And I think more than anything else, every one of us in Disney Plus Hotstar, we are enthralled. And I can tell you this, that the response to the first part has been incredible. So I'm really, really hopeful and excited.
And that has got us unnerved because, you know, after 4 episodes, we want more, but we'll have to be a little patient. So thank you so much, sir. And as you said, Neeraj sir, it's as he said, it's a Wednesday. यानी कि सारे ग्रह सब जगह पर सही बैठे हैं. And this is your hat trick with Disney Plus Hotstar, your association. So you want to tell us what can we expect more, and also the freelancer, the conclusion के बारे में आपका क्या कहना है?
Hello everyone. Thank you for the amazing response that we got for the first part, firstly. And I think Gaurav has summed it up beautifully, our relationship and the way we sort of delivered the three content pieces, and now the second part of Freelancer is on its way. I think it's a very interesting world right now in terms of content, and I'm glad that we found an able partner in Disney Hotstar. We're willing to take these risks that we wanted to as well, and deliver content pieces like this. And I'm glad that it's paid off for all of us.
And as audiences, we've loved it completely. Thank you so much for giving us that. And request to please take the hot seat. And I'll get the mic. Thank you so much. Thank you. Well, now, जैसे मैं कह रहा हूँ कि पहले 4 episodes देखने के बाद we've been waiting, wanting to know. It's time for us to get that conclusion, time for us to get a sneak peek, and time for us to know what's going to happen. इतना ग्रिप कर दिया है, now we want to know कि क्या आलिया को बचा पाएंगे, वहां से निकाल के ले आएंगे या नहीं हमारे freelancer aka अविनाश. So let me not do the talking. I will let the audio visual do the talking. And here's a sneak peek to the world of the freelancer, the conclusion.
तो अविनाश कामत के बारे में जानना चाहते हैं। वो आपको मिला कैसे? वो मुझे मारना चाहता था।
So much. And I always say it takes a village to create something like this. So thank you to each and every individual who's been instrumental in creating this and bringing us this. So thank you so much. And also to the entire sneak peek, the Sannata, the silence, said it all. What it is, what can we expect on the 15th of December. And also, it started on a note where we got to see another Pehlu altogether. Right? Where here we have Anupam sir and Mohit Raina going on screen, and what is happening. Now this element we've not seen in the first 4 episodes at all. So something more, layers and layers, and of course, आलिया को बचा के ले पाएंगे नहीं? That's the biggest question. सारे सवालों का जवाब मिलेगा, उसके लिए I'm going to request मंच सेट किया जाए ताकि हम हमारे कास्ट, हमारे मेकर्स को मंच पर बुला पाएं. And I have to compliment you that the way you delivered each and every layer to your personality is commendable. So thank you. Thank you. Thank you guys for putting this up, creating this whole set for us to get into the actual conclusion. And with that, I would request Gaurav sir and Neeraj sir to please join us back. Neeraj sir, Gaurav sir, may I request you please join us back on stage. Thank you guys. We'll manage that. Thank you. And now, brilliant minds and incredible talent, behind the scenes magician, the producer of The Freelancer, The Conclusion. Please welcome Mr. Sheetal Bhatia, the producer. नमस्कार, स्वागत है आपका. अब वो जो इस एक्सट्रैक्शन मिशन को करेंगे लीड, हमारे फ्रीलांसर अविनाश कामत AKA मोहित रायना. Legendary and versatile actor, one of the finest our country has, जो हर फ्रेम में अपना जादू बिखेरते हैं. One and only, please welcome Mr. Anupam Kher. Just complimented her, talented leading lady, mission की धड़कन आलिया, AKA Miss Kashmira Pardeshi. Last but not the least, हमारे इस gripping narrative के director, the captain of the ship. Please welcome Mr. Bhav Dhulia. Welcome to all of you. Thank you so much. And first of all, as I told them as well, thank you so much for giving us such a fantastic, gripping content, and also a special mention to the cast because the way they've delivered each and every character. So thank you for keeping us hooked, keeping us gripped. Once again, thank you. A couple of questions. I know हमारे मीडिया के दोस्तों के काफी सारे सवाल हैं जो आप पूछना चाहेंगे. उससे पहले मैं थोड़े सवाल पूछ लेता हूँ. And starting with Gaurav sir, you know, as the head of content, as the head of content at Disney Plus Hotstar, what made the freelancer stand out for the platform, and what unique qualities drew you to this project, and how does it fit into the vision of Disney Plus Hotstar?
So thank you. And I think the first and most important reason for the freelancer is Neeraj Pandey and our unbelievable, unshakable faith in his qualities as a storyteller. How he wants to always challenge himself and surprise and tell thrillers in a style which is incredibly unique and hugely powerful. So I think for all of us, we first came to him as fans of his craft. After that, I think there is a lot of comfort that we have with Friday Filmworks and Sheetal. He's an amazing force, and I think this partnership has brought us great joy over the last 5 years, as I said earlier. And of course, I think the two of them together brought this incredible cast together. And somewhere they have history, and somewhere I have history. So I think it's all fantastic. I think one of the foundational stones in my career is Mahadev, and Mahadev is Mahadev also because of Mohit. So he's somebody that I'm incredibly in awe of and hugely grateful to. So I think this was a very easy decision, and I think when you don't think of the people, you then think of the story, and I think the story is gripping, and it explores a world that is not seen before in Indian cinema, on Indian television, and definitely not on streaming either. And that world and the fears and the challenges that it poses for all of us, right? For every one of us, whether we live in Bombay, whether we live in Delhi, whether we live in the everyday complacence of our lives. And in some ways, that complacence, that sense of freedom, the sense of belief that, tomorrow is likely going to take care of itself. In some ways, Neeraj and this team are challenging that. They're posing us questions which are about truly how dangerous this world is becoming. And I think as storytellers, we have to, face this uncomfortable truth. And I think there is something to be said for doing it powerfully and also doing it entertaining. You're scared a little bit. And I think there are moments in the show which are very, very scary. And also there is a thrill side to it, and we just got evidence of that in that spine-chilling scene and amazing performances from both the actors. So yeah, all of that makes it an incredible package.
And we love to enjoy all those emotions. And as you said about Neeraj sir, we are also fans of the incredible uniqueness that you belong to the table and the screen. And my question is for you. You've been working with Disney Plus Hotstar for a long time, creating thrilling series. Now, how do you approach crafting intense and captivating narratives for the audience?
That's my job, I guess. I don't know how I do it, but I think a lot of it relies on the response that we get from our audiences. They are the ones who encourage us that we need to push the envelope a little more, to work harder, not to repeat ourselves. So I would definitely assign it to my audiences, the ones who have loved our work over the years, who sort of quality checked us all the time.
So I'm one of them. And I'd say thank you for that, for giving us. And now we know the mantra for uniqueness. So thank you. Sheetal sir, my question is for you. And the production quality of the content looks fantastic. How did you visualize this world and especially decide where to shoot what?
It was very difficult, but thanks to Neeraj and his vision, he constantly, pushes the team to push the boundaries and, find the right things. It was challenging to create Syria, But yes, we found the right location in Morocco. It was very interesting thing. We went there for a recce. The country closed down because of COVID, and within 6 hours we had to reach the airport, buy a ticket, and get out of it. Otherwise, we would have been stuck there for a couple of weeks. We managed to do that, but yeah, finally we went there and we recreated Syria. It was a wonderful experience, and yeah.
Congratulations, and as I was saying some time back, that it takes an entire village to create one, and it's also been a roller coaster ride. So, yeah, but in spite of that, thank you for giving us this. Thank you. Mohit, my questions to you. Stepping into the world of the freelancer, अभी इन्होंने कहा, गौरव सर ने भी कहा महादेव. So एक image होती है. Now you stepped into the world of the freelancer. The conclusion. This must have been a significant decision, और आपका जो character है एक extraction mission पर उतर आया है. तो could you walk us through the journey?
Well, thank you so much, everyone, for being here, and thank you for the great response. Yes, I think my journey has been very exciting for a lot of reasons. The first and the foremost reason was Mr. Neeraj Pandey. Obviously, I've been a huge admirer and fan of Neeraj's work. So when he called me and he told me that he's going to, making a series which is inspired by this book, Ticket to Syria, and the journey started back then. I think it's been more than 3-4 years. I think 3-4 years. So yeah, it's been filled with a lot of ups and downs. It's not been less than any roller coaster ride for all of us. Because of various reasons, because of the terrain that we were shooting in Morocco, different culture and different people to work with, but we had some great, amazing international crew also. And the journey of Avinash Kamath has been great, I think he's an underdog, and now finally on 15th of December we will see what the outcome is. Will he be able to extract her, and how and where he'll be able to do it under the guidance of Anupam sir. So yes, the journey has been memorable.
And I have to compliment you, when the sneak peek started, तो जो आंखें थी, जो लाल ऐसे खून से भरी आंखें थी. We are always a fan of yours, yet again.
शूटिंग में वैसे ही आया
मैं बदनाम हो जाऊंगा.
Generally हम आफ्टर इफेक्ट्स पूछते हैं, मैं प्री इफेक्ट्स नहीं पूछूंगा ये कहाँ से हुआ या कहाँ से शुरुआत हुई. But thank you so much. Anupam sir, coming to you, my questions for you. But first of all, you've left a lingering impression with the first 4 episodes, and needless to say, you're a stalwart, as expected. Each and every character that you deliver, we are in love. And ये आपके बाएं हाथ का खेल है, but how do you manage to, navigate through the evolving dynamics of this particular role and the upcoming episodes?
Hello. When I'm working with Neeraj, मैं अपने आप को इनके भरोसे छोड़ देता हूँ. Whatever he tells me, I just do that. And he makes my job easy. और ये एक्टिंग कभी बाएं हाथ का खेल नहीं है. इसमें हमेशा दिल और दिमाग और सारा शरीर लगा रहता है. वो लगता बाएं हाथ का खेल है. That is the beauty of hard work and years of work. As you said, today is Wednesday. तो तब से लेकर अब तक एक साइलेंट कम्युनिकेशन होता है इसमें. ये मुझे चैलेंज करते रहते हैं, मैं इनको कुछ थोड़ा बहुत चाबी करता रहता हूँ. एंड आई थिंक दैट्स थोड़ा बहुत नहीं, मतलब आई थिंक दैट्स व्हाट आई एंजॉय वर्किंग विद बोथ ऑफ देम. दे आर नाउ मोर देन फ्रेंड्स, दे आर लाइक फैमिली. एंड ये जब से ये वेटरन स्टालवर्ट वगैरह के वर्ड्स इस्तेमाल होने होते हैं, उस समय तब से मैं ज्यादा चौकन्ना हो गया हूँ. क्योंकि मुझे लगता है कि एक दिन ऐसा आएगा कि मैं यहाँ पर वैसाखी पहन के लेके आऊंगा और व्हील चेयर में. ऐसा नहीं होने वाला. Till 90 I'll be working like a newcomer. Wow. Because my competition is with myself. So I keep doing that. And as long as he comes up with these characters, it's very good. And I think when I work with Bhava also, he also has now started waving like Neeraj only, constantly challenging you. No, it's a fun, it's a great joy to be working with them. Not only as an actor, but as a person also. You get to learn so much from them.
And each and every role, you essay beautifully. And thank you so much for being what you are, being an inspiration. So thank you.
I just try to live up to my name's meaning. अनुपम का मतलब है जिसकी उपमा ना हो. तो बस वही.
But how can you
agree with that?
Absolutely, sir.
Say something nice about me.
I'll add that.
You are uncomparable.
That's it. अब आगे चल सकते हैं.
Multi-layer.
I'm feeling better now.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. And let's have, I think, a thunderous round of applause for also one of the youngest, individual who's here on the dais with us, for Kashmira, because the way the experienced individuals, but I have to say to you especially, you're the heartbeat of the mission. You've had an emotional journey. और मैंने पहले 4 episodes में देखा, अलग-अलग emotions है. Helpless, hurt, captured, clueless. You have no idea how to handle. So, how did you manage to portray and approach these complexities of Alia's experiences?
So, firstly, thank you to the audience for giving us such a sweet response, and a bigger thank you to Neeraj sir, to Hotstar, to Friday Storytellers for giving me this opportunity to play somebody like Alia. And when they select you, you start thinking, oh, is this for real? I mean, they think I can do this. Till you get it, you're like, no, I want to do this and this is mine. And when they believe in you, it's magical. And how I approached Alia was purely how nicely she was written and how our journey was written. Why I think I feel lucky that I got a role like Alia to embody is because her journey is so challenging, from a sweet innocent girl who wants a normal life to whatever she's going through. At one point she embraces it and she wants to fight back, and I love to fight back. And that the layers have shown itself in that journey, and I have loved it, and it has taught me a lot. The role of, Alia has taught me a lot, and it's lovely to be a part of this project, to play Alia along with these brilliant people here. That's the beauty of it. That's the magic of it. So,
The audience has absolutely loved it, so congratulations.
Thank you.
I'm wishing you the best. Well, my questions for you, in the first 4 episodes, we were on the edge of the seat. Now, what are the distinctive directorial choices you made in the second part to make it even more nail-biting?
First of all, thank you for coming. And in the second part of the show, as it's mentioned in the conclusion, we will see how the freelancer finally plans and makes his way towards Alia. How he develops his team, the kind of action pieces, the set pieces you'll see. The challenges for me was how to scale it up. The kind of places where we shot, the kind of action set pieces that we designed, the journey that each character takes. There's also a very special, distinct way you'll see Kashmira in the second part of the series. How to navigate those, craft those, and build it to a crescendo, a very action-filled ride, is what the biggest challenge was for the second part.
You've given eyes to their vision, so thank you for creating Beyond Brilliance. So,
Thank you so much.
thank you so much. And with that, I think time for us to open the floor for the media Q&A. मेरी दरख्वास्त है कि जो भी कोई सवाल पूछना चाहेगा हाथ ऊपर कर लीजिएगा. Once you get the mic, please mention आपका नाम, which publication that you belong to, and also whom you want to ask the question. That way it gets easier to address.
If we switch on the mics, please.
Yes, they're on. Thank you, Pratik.
Hi, Gaurav.
One second. If you don't mind, can we just dim these lights a little, please? Little jarring to the eyes.
Yes.
Okay. Hi, Gaurav. I'm Tanmay from Peeping Moon. Hi. So my question is to you. Disney Plus Hotstar has had an amazing year with The Child, with The Night Manager, with an Arya 3. So what is your vision for 2024?
Thank you so much. Thank you for appreciating the stories. Yes, we have a very aggressive lineup of shows that we are very, very excited about, beginning of course with The Freelancer. So before we come to 24, let's end 23 hopefully with a big eye and fans really liking what we have to share in the conclusion. After that, we have 3 shows that I do want to talk about, which are really exciting. First is we are bringing the 3rd season of Legend of Hanuman in January, and that's India's first, large-scale animation designed for all audiences, not just for children. and it's Indian mythology told in a way of storytelling that hasn't been explored in a very big way in India before that, definitely on streaming, not done before. So that's very exciting. Then we are doing a very interesting story with Raveena Tandon in the lead, and it's exciting to partner with her for the first time for us, and that should be a good show. It's a twist on the kind of stories that Star has told for over 2 decades. Let me not tell you more. Wait to hear from us over the next few days, very, very shortly. Third, we are collaborating with Karan Johar on a fiction series called Showtime, which is set within the film industry, and it is Karan Johar telling a story about nepotism and what nepotism can do to a film studio. So that should hopefully be exciting as well. And then of course we have, Ram Madhvani and Neeraj Pandey coming back with other stuff, which we're not going to talk about today. But yes. Thank you.
मेरा सवाल अनुपम सर से है। अनुपम सर आपसे है। सबसे पहले तो मैं तारीफ करना चाहूँगा द फ्रीलांसर्स पार्ट सेशन 1 की। उसके बाद पूरी उम्मीद है मुझे जो ये सीजन 2 है वो भी माइंड ब्लोइंग आउटस्टैंडिंग होगा। पर मेरा ये सवाल है कि अगर आप 2023 की जितनी भी फिल्में देखें, जितनी भी सीरीज देखें, सब वायलेंस से भरपूर है, सब कुछ एक्शन से भरपूर है। पठान, जवान, टाइगर 3, इसके बाद एनिमल। क्या हमको ये नहीं लगता कि फिल्में कहीं ना कहीं समाज में बहुत अच्छा मैसेज देने का प्लेटफॉर्म है? क्या हम इतना एक्शन, इतना थ्रिल जो दे रहे हैं, क्या वो ठीक है?
इस प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस के मेरे कॉन्ट्रैक्ट में हॉटस्टार ने बोला था कि आप सिर्फ फ्रीलांसर के बारे में बात करना, और मैं चाहूंगा कि मैं उस क्लॉज को बरकरार रखूं। हम यहाँ फ्रीलांसर की बात करने हैं, इतनी मेहनत की है इन लोगों ने, सब लोगों ने, और उस मेहनत पर हम कोई और बात करना शुरू कर दें तो फिर उस बात पे ज़्यादा चर्चा हो जाएगी। बेटर है कि हम इसको बरकरार रखें, इसकी मर्यादा को। ये सवाल मैं आपसे बाहर चल के कॉफ़ी पी के किसी दिन करूँगा। आज के लिए हम फ्रीलांसर में मुझे बहुत मज़ा आया, बहुत अच्छा लगा मुझे। मैंने बहुत मेहनत की। मेरा जो लुक है, मेरी वाइफ का फेवरेट इस साल का था शो। उन्होंने मेरी कभी 2023 में तारीफ ही नहीं की, मैंने काफ़ी काम किया। एंड उन्होंने मुझसे कहा कि नीरज का नंबर सेम है क्या? मैंने कहा हाँ सेम है, क्या हुआ? नहीं, उसका सेम नंबर नहीं है। मैंने उसको मैसेज भेजा कि मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा फ्रीलांसर, तो मैंने फिर उनको कहा कि आप फ़ोन करो। तो मेरे लिए तो ये 2023 बड़ा अच्छा गया एज फार एज किरण जी इज कंसर्न। भगवान का लाख लाख शुक्र है कि अपने फ्रीलांसर में मुझे कास्ट किया। सर थैंक यू सो मच, मेरा घर चल रहा है। धन्यवाद।
Thank you. Please raise your hands. Yes.
Yeah. First of all, good afternoon, everyone. My question is to Neeraj sir. Recently, we've seen a lot of multiverse coming in terms of films, in terms of characters and plots as well. Can we see a multiverse in your web series as well, like Special Ops and Freelancer coming to a crossover for a multiverse?
No. Nothing of that sort is going to happen. I mean, these are two totally different franchises, and now that it has become a trend, we are bored of it. I am not interested. If it would not have been a trend, we would have possibly given it a chase, the idea. But since everybody is doing it, it's not for us anymore.
Thank you.
Thank you. Please.
Hi Mohit, Naveen this side. It's so good to see you covering on location of Mahadev and right now asking you a question over here. It's so good to see you. We both have come so far to यहाँ पे। मुझे फ्रीलांसर बहुत पसंद आया। आई वॉन्ट टू आस्क यू द क्वेश्चन, अविनाश कामत के किरदार को प्ले करने के वक्त या उसके बाद क्या उस किरदार ने आपको अफेक्ट किया था कुछ किसी वे में? बिकॉज हमने आपको देखा, आपने जब मुंबई डायरीज किया, आपने बहुत ही बेहतरीन डॉक्टर के किरदार को प्ले किया था, बट दिस कैरेक्टर मुझे उस किरदार से भी ज़्यादा बेहतरीन लगा। तो क्या इस किरदार ने आपको अफेक्ट किया था?
थैंक यू, बट आई डोंट थिंक कि मुझे इस किरदार ने इफेक्ट किया था। लर्निंग्स थी इस किरदार की। एज एन एक्टर आप जब भी किसी किरदार को अप्रोच करते हैं तो आपका काम होता है सिर्फ अपने डायरेक्टर का विजन फॉलो करना। तो मैं नीरज सर का और भव का दोनों का विजन फॉलो कर रहा था। जो जिस तरीके का इन्होंने कैरेक्टर स्केच अपने माइंड में सोचा हुआ था, ऑन अ डेली बेसिस वी वुड एक्सप्लोर दैट। जैसे जैसे सीन्स आते थे, जैसे जैसे अप्रोच होता था, एवरी अप्रोच वुड बी डिफरेंट। जैसे कि आज हमने देखा जो वो शॉट था जो अनुपम जी के सामने मैं गन लेके खड़ा हूं, तो उसका अप्रोच बहुत अलग था। वो नीरज सर को स्पेशली वैसी ब्लडी रेड आईज चाहिए थी, तो वो उस तरीके का अप्रोच था। सो आई डोंट थिंक कि मैंने कुछ आई मीन बैगेज उसके साथ कैरी किया या वैसा रहा, बट आई एंजॉयड द जर्नी। द जर्नी हैज बीन वन ऑफ द मोस्ट मेमोरेबल जर्नीज ऑफ माई लाइफ। द रीजन बिग, मैंने कभी भी ऐसा एक अंडरडॉग प्ले नहीं किया है हु कम्स आउट ऑफ नोवेयर and becomes something else and has a second life in place, you know. So it was a very interesting arc for me to play and be Avinash Kamath.
Thank you for your question. Please raise your hand so we know. Hi.
Hello, Bob.
Yeah.
I'm Sejal from Lenny
Right.
Boston.
The question is for.
Yeah, Bob. What made you believe that the Mohit and Kashmira's character is fit for them?
Mohit's character, if you've seen how Avinash Kamath is, he's someone who's, जो first part में हमने उनकी journey देखी, he was someone in Mumbai, very rooted, and who was as rooted as possibly you can be, and then he was operating in Europe as well. Someone who has a lot of range. एक जगह हम देखते हैं कि वो बॉम्बे के एक ASI हैं, और दूसरी तरह हम लोग देखते हैं कि वो यूरोप में टॉप इंटेलिजेंस एजेंसीज और मर्सनरीज के साथ इंटरेक्ट करते हैं. सो यू नीड समवन विद अ लॉट ऑफ रेंज, एंड दैट्स व्हाई मोहित फिट द बिल परफेक्टली. वी हैव सीन अ ग्लिम्स ऑफ हिम बिफोर डूइंग सम एक्शन. हियर द अपॉर्चुनिटी वाज मच बिगर. Kashmira gave a fantastic audition. She was, we needed someone, again, someone very innocent and someone who has a transformational journey with Alia. It was a very, very extensive process with Alia's character. We had a number of auditions, and Kashmira was fantastic in it.
Hi, this is Vandana from Film India. My question is to Kashmira. Sorry, I have a bad throat today. How did you find it? What was the challenging part of your role, and how did you prepare for it? Any challenges that you faced during this whole journey?
So I would like to specifically mention the scenes that I've gotten the most reviews for. All the people that watched the first few episodes called me and were saying, "Hey, why are you talking for more than 3 minutes in the bathroom scene?" And they were like, "We know you and we watch it. We're so gripped. Kid, don't talk more. It's done." 3 people used to look at their watches and be like, "Okay, it's done. 3 minutes are done." But that takes me back to the time we were shooting it, and it was the same day that we shot all the bathroom scenes. And those scenes for me were quite challenging because it's something really extreme that Alia goes through, or the information she gets about losing her father, about the betrayal that she is facing, about being trapped. So yeah, that one day, or the bathroom scene especially for me, were very challenging.
Thank you. You have the mic, please.
Hello. Yeah.
Sorry.
Anupam
Yes.
sir, I'm Amar from Movie 5.
Right at the back.
In The Freelancer, your character manages to leave a lasting impact with the audience. Can we expect to see more of Dr. Khan in Freelancer, the conclusion? Can you tell more about your role, please?
मैं तो हर फ्रेम में होना चाहता हूँ, मगर हमको कहानी भी सुनानी है. But I must say that जब मैं शूटिंग कर रहा था तो मुझे लगता था, क्योंकि मेरा कैरेक्टर इस तरह का था जो इंस्ट्रक्शन दे रहा था, तो मुझे लगा था ठीक है, ठीक ही होगा कोई खास. बट आई थिंक द रिस्पॉन्स दैट आई हैव गॉट इज फिनोमिनल. एंड यस, आई थिंक द कंक्लूजन ऑफ फ्रीलांसर विल हैव सम मोमेंट्स वेयर यू विल सी. जो अभी सीन आपने देखा, जैसे उसमें एक एस्पेक्ट उसका नजर आता है काफी कुछ है आई थिंक, और वो धीरे धीरे होगा.
कॉन्ट्रैक्ट में डेफिनेटली है कि आप कंक्लूजन बता नहीं सकते.
नहीं बताया. ये देखिए, इन्होंने सिर्फ मुझे ही चुना है मेरे को रोकने और बोलने के लिए. नहीं बिल्कुल नहीं, बट यू विल हैव सेटिस्फैक्ट्री, बट ऑल्सो थोड़ा सा वो मेरी माँ कहती है कि पेट भर के नहीं काम करना चाहिए, थोड़ा रह जाना चाहिए। तो अगले सीरीज में ये कुछ अब मुझे चुनेंगे जिसमें हर जगह मैं नजर आऊंगा आपको, मतलब इधर भी उधर भी और एक्टिंग करता हुआ। ये मेरा इनको ऑडिशन था, ये फ्रीलांसर कि इसमें देखो मैंने कितना अच्छा काम किया है और अगले उसमें ले लेना मुझे। मैं स्ट्रगल करता रहता हूँ इनके साथ, बहुत स्ट्रगल करता हूँ मैं इनके साथ। जो मुझे पसंद है डायरेक्टर या जो लोग मुझे पसंद है, तो मैं उन हफ्ते में एक बार उनके ऑफिस जाता हूँ, आप उनसे पूछ लीजिए, और काम मांगने जाता हूँ। खाना खाने की एक्टिंग करता हूँ पर एक्चुअली काम मांगने जाता हूँ। बोलना चाह रहे हैं कुछ अब नीरज जी इसके बारे में पब्लिकली? सच है ना? नहीं। क्या सच नहीं? सच है कि? और मैं काम नहीं मांगता हूँ आपसे?
नहीं, बिल्कुल उसकी जरूरत नहीं पड़ती।
नहीं, जरूरत नहीं पड़ती है वो बात अलग है, मगर मैं मांगने जाता हूँ। अच्छी बात, मुझे अच्छे लगते हैं। दे आर वंडरफुल पीपल, दे आर अमेजिंग पीपल, दे लाइक ए बैड हैबिट। अच्छी आदत फिर भी छूट सकती है, बुरी आदत नहीं छूटती है। बट थैंक यू फॉर आस्किंग दिस क्वेश्चन। मेरे मन की भड़ास निकालने को मुझे मौका दिया। मजा आएगा आपको, पार्ट 2 में भी आपको कंक्लूजन बहुत मजा आएगा। इट्स वेरी थ्रिलिंग, इट्स वंडरफुल, इट्स अमेजिंग। इट्स इन्होंने कितना अच्छा काम किया। मैं जब शूटिंग कर रहा कि इनके साथ, इसी एप्रिसिएशन तब होती है जब आप काम करते करते मन में दाद देते हो कि वाह, जो हमने जो सीन किया। I noticed at that time only, even the earlier answer was a little funny, but when you did that shot where you were holding the gun, for me it was wonderful, and I really appreciated and I'm very happy that my mother is your greatest fan, so you know that. Thank you.
Thank you for your question.
Hello, Shilpa here from Mayapuri magazine. My question is for Sheetal Bhatia ji. The Freelancer series is that displays massive scale. काफी different countries में shoot हुआ है. So what was the thought when curating this series?
The thought was that to make it as big as possible. The story had a lot of challenges in it, and we like to take challenges, and that's the reason we just thought of it. I mean, we wanted to make it as big as possible. पहले एक प्लेन था नीरज को, फिर बाद में 4 चाहिए थे, तो yeah, that was the fun of it.
Okay, my next question is to Anupam. जो पूरा मिशन है, तो किस तरह से आगे वाले एपिसोड्स जो है और ऑडियंस को बांधे रखने वाले हैं? कुछ स्पेशल थिंग आगे वाले एपिसोड्स की, इफ यू वांट टू शेयर अकॉर्डिंग टू यू?
आई थिंक नीरज की राइटिंग में सबसे बड़ी बात ये होती है कि जो लिखा होता है वैसे वही नजर आता है। There is no editing done after that, इसको निकाल देते हैं। That I think the minimalistic approach that he uses। और आपने भी सवाल पूछा शीतल जी से, how do you decide that you are different from other people? आपने बहुत अच्छा इनके बारे में बोला। Today's time there are so many people, so many things. So how do you become a leader, or how do you become a different person? Is by working very hard. And that's what you will see in Freelancer. And on a side note, I want to tell you, the first person who did my interview in Mumbai before I got into movies was Z.A. Johar from Mayapuri. And I'm thankful. I always had, मैं कुछ नहीं था और मुझे वो पृथ्वी थिएटर में मिले थे, बाली पीटर जॉन और Z.A. Johar साहब, और उन्होंने मेरा मायापुरी में इंटरव्यू किया था. So I certainly remember that you are from Mayapuri.
Hi, Neeraj ji.
Thank you. We have time for one last question.
Hi. This is Harshada here from Screengraphia. नीरज जी, आपसे पूछना था, आपका ये जो फिक्सेशन है, मतलब एजी सस्पेंस थ्रिलर, मतलब क्या है कि उधर ही आप हुक हो जाते हैं और हमें भी हुक कर देते हैं?
Fixation is a very strong word. It is actually it's a great story that draws you, and in this case I was happy that Bhav was excited by the idea of leading this one and putting this ensemble cast and help us in shaping up this particular story. But it's always the story. It starts with the story and ends with the story. If the story is worth sharing with audiences and you've got faith in your audiences, the audiences will enjoy that ride. I mean, that's the biggest motivation.
Thank you for your question. Thank you so much. Well, that's all the time we have. One more? Yeah, whatever. As you say. Please.
Good afternoon. My name is Vijay Lakshmi. My question is for Gaurav sir.
Hi, yeah.
Hi sir. My question is, the freelancer has a very global theme at the center stage. You know, it's about espionage and a whole lot of other global issues. And I think that's what translated to its success, at least with the first edition. Why, in your opinion, A, has it translated to that kind of success? And secondly, why do you think is there so much anticipation for the second part?
Yes, I agree with you. I think I said earlier that there is an increasing feeling today that we are all living in a very dangerous world. There are wars erupting in every continent now, and the threat of terrorism, threat of somebody coming in from outside and taking away everything that we treasure, right? And I think all our homes, there is deep hope always that you'll come back to your loved ones wherever you are out through the day. You want to return and have that one meal together. You want to be with your family. Those are the things that people genuinely live for. And in some way, all these dangers and the sense of a temperature and the heat rising, right, with intolerance, with the threat of war, all those things are things that everywhere in the world people are worried about. They're concerned about it. And they're certainly concerned about it in our country. And we can see that with the response that this show and the first part of it has taken. And because the first part has worked really well, and anything that we have shared about the second part, including the scene that you all saw, I could sense that the reception was really positive, which is what gives all of us here hope that the second part will also be well received. We don't know, but as always, we live on hope, and we believe that the audience in India is looking for discerning, well-told stories. And I think if people have the heart in the right place, and I think everyone here has certainly done that and devoted so much of their time, given so much of their passion to make something well, hopefully the results will also be meaningfully good. Thank you so much.
Thank you. And in spite of all the global developments, you managed to keep us glued, connected with the content that grips us. So thank you so much. And with that, thank you to the entire cast, the makers. Thank you so much, and thank you to all our friends from the media. It's time, of course, for a nice photo op. Entire freelancer की family की photo op. So for the same, may I request you please step forward.
जगह पे बैठ गया कोई पार्टी दो एक से पीछे थोड़ा बस एक अनुपम सर के लिए फोटो ले रहा लो एवरीवन हियर शीतल सर जरा गैप सर रुकेगा करते शीतल सर बाकी क्या देखें सर सर याद देखिए सर मैम इधर भी सेंटर होल्डर मैम सेंटर